Okay, this is one set of shelving I've recently gotten put in, and so this is not the only one, but I'm thrilled with it because I am a lover of books, and so I've got all my books from college and anthropology and art history and fiber arts and all the things that I love, as well as, I've got some fiber arts tools. And the idea with this is not for it to be pretty and decorative necessarily, even though I think it's pretty and decorative. It is to, like, things really cycle in and out of this. So these are, especially this group over here, are constantly in flux of things coming in and out. And so that way I can keep everything clean. And I've got, you know, previous month's braids, special order braids. We've got, small batch Lux bats. I've got my book. There's some copies of my book and some scary looking fiber tools that I've used for demo videos, as well as, like I said, some more of those braids that I just unpacked. So, I mean, my goal with this was really to have basically a yarn shop, a fiber art store in my home that I could keep in a, professional manner. So I'm really happy about that.